Good morning everyone. Today we are going to see low light image enhancement using Matlab. So the base paper of the project will be this is the base paper of the low light image enhancement paper. So using the map estimation method we are going to enhance a low light image to a better image for the reference. So here these are all the input images. So after processing these input images we will get the uh, processed output response with a better image for reference. So actually the map estimation method will be used for enhancing these low light images. So all the details will be in the paper. So okay, these are all the result output from the particular processed input. Okay, next we are going to see the implementation code for this particular implementation in Matlab. So we have some functions for processing these input images, and we have we have images in a separate folder. We have the input images for processing. So we have some external functions to include in this program, so that is included in a separate file. So we want to add the path for these particular folders in our program, so we have using these two lines for including that folders to our program. So next we are going to read the image. So first of all we are going to read the images, and we want to specify some input parameters for this particular images. Okay, after initializing these variables we want to pass these variables to another function. So this is the main function for this program. We want to pass these input variables with the particular input image, so we can process the image with this function. When we open that function we have some other parameters for processing the input image and to display the result. So in this function also it will call some other functions for processing the image and get back the result and show in a separate output image. So the map estimation method will be also implemented inside these functions. Using that functions, the input image will be processed along with the input variables which we have passed inside this function. Using that values and the input images, it will go through the map estimation method, and it will come back with the processed output value, and it will show in figures. Okay, for our reference we have give the input images as we have give two input images for processing. First one will be the wires.bmp. So the file extension for this input will be in bmp file. For reference we have given two images, both are in bmp extensions. So when we run this program, and we will see the result for this two input images. Okay, this is the output image, and these are all the processed images. This one is the heat map image, and this is the input image. So this is the difference between the input image and the processed output image. So the light will be enhanced far better than the input image for this image. So for the next image we have, this is the output image, and okay, this is the input image for this particular input, and this is the processed output image. So in the output, from the output image you have all the details are enhanced specifically better, far better than the input image. So this is the output for this two particular inputs. So when we go for some other kind of input, we just want to change the input images. So here we want to go for some other image. So this we are going to give the input as moon image. For the next one we want to give some other input image. Okay, here we can able to see the output result that is processed very clearly from that input image. So the light is enhanced far better than the input image. So we can able to use this kind of light enhancement using Matlab, using these functions map estimation method. So this is the output of the first image that we are given. So the input will be, yeah, this is the input image and this is the processed image. So from this image you can able to get clearly map estimation method is very better method for enhancing the low light input images to process better. The execution steps will be, first of all we read the input images and set the initial parameters for that particular image. We can able to change the initial parameters based on that image to increase or decrease some specific values, so that we can able to enhance the image way better than different images. So the next step we are going to call the functions. So we will call the functions to process this image, and when we run the main code it will generate the output result for us. Okay, that's all about this project. Thank you.